The TerraGlide is a groundbreaking personal electric vehicle designed for those who crave limitless adventure. What makes it truly remarkable is its amphibious nature, seamlessly transitioning between land and water to create a riding experience like no other. Imagine cruising effortlessly through city streets or along scenic trails, then reaching the water's edge and gliding straight into a lake, river, or coastal inlet without ever needing to stop or switch vehicles. This level of freedom opens up endless opportunities for exploration, making every journey an adventure in itself. On land, the TerraGlide functions much like a compact electric car, powered by an efficient motor that delivers smooth acceleration and a quiet, eco-friendly ride. Its wheels handle urban streets and off-road paths with ease, giving riders confidence whether they are navigating busy cityscapes or venturing into nature. But the true magic happens when the terrain changes. At the simple switch to boat mode, the TerraGlide transforms into a sleek watercraft, gliding gracefully across the surface of the water. This dual capability offers a sense of versatility and spontaneity that few vehicles in the world can match. The design of the TerraGlide is equally impressive, blending futuristic aesthetics with practical functionality. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures stability and performance on both surfaces, while the electric powertrain emphasizes sustainability, reducing environmental impact. Whether you're planning a weekend adventure, a commute that cuts across waterways, or simply a new way to explore hidden coves and quiet lakes, the TerraGlide is built to deliver an unforgettable experience. More than just a mode of transport, it represents a new era of personal mobility, one that encourages freedom, discovery, and adventure without boundaries. For thrill seekers and explorers alike, the TerraGlide is more than a vehicle. It's an invitation to see the world differently, unlocking paths and waterways that were once beyond reach. Would you like me to make this even longer, around 280 to 300 words, so it feels like a full 2-minute script with more emphasis on lifestyle and real-world use? The Callum Sky represents a bold leap into the future of personal transportation, blending innovation, luxury, and performance into one striking package. Imagine leaving behind the frustration of traffic jams and instead gliding seamlessly through the skies in a vehicle designed to turn every journey into an extraordinary experience. With its sleek, futuristic design, the Sky is not just about functionality. It's about making a statement. The cabin is spacious and beautifully appointed, offering a level of comfort that rivals a first-class airline seat. Passengers are treated to breathtaking panoramic views while enjoying a smooth and quiet ride, creating a perfect harmony between cutting-edge technology and refined elegance. This isn't just another electric flying car, it's a symbol of sophistication and forward thinking. The Sky embodies the idea that transportation is no longer simply about moving from one place to another, but about transforming that movement into a lifestyle experience. Every detail, from the design of its streamlined body to the advanced electric systems powering it, is crafted with precision and purpose. It represents freedom, sustainability, and the thrill of pushing beyond traditional boundaries. More than speed or efficiency, the Callum Sky is about redefining what travel can be. It elevates daily commutes into moments of wonder, offering the convenience of quick, direct flights above crowded streets, while ensuring that style and comfort are never compromised. For those who demand the very best and dream of a future where the skies truly are the limit, the Sky delivers a vision that feels both exciting and inevitable. As we close this journey exploring groundbreaking personal vehicles, the Sky stands as a shining example of where innovation is leading us, towards a future of mobility that is smarter, greener, and undeniably more inspiring. Do you want me to make this closer to 300 words so it runs like a full 2-minute closing script for your video, tying together all the vehicles with a strong conclusion? The Flyer is not just a vehicle, it's a bold vision of what personal mobility could look like in the future. Imagine leaving traffic jams behind forever and soaring freely through the skies to your destination. This remarkable creation is a personal electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, designed specifically for individual use. For adrenaline seekers, it offers the thrill of flying combined with the convenience of everyday transportation. Even though regulations for personal eVTOL aircraft are still being developed, the Flyer provides us with a fascinating glimpse into what urban travel might become in the near future. Picture yourself gliding smoothly above crowded highways, skipping over gridlocked intersections, and touching down precisely at your chosen location without ever having to deal with the stress of traditional roads. What makes the Flyer even more impressive is its accessibility. Thanks to advanced safety systems and intuitive controls, it doesn't require years of flying experience to operate. Its design focuses on stability, ease of use, and passenger confidence, so even newcomers to aviation could feel comfortable taking control. This is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of freedom, innovation, and the evolution of transportation. By merging cutting-edge electric technology with aviation, the Flyer is leading the charge toward a world where flying isn't reserved for pilots, but is within reach for everyday people, redefining the way we move, explore, and connect. Would you like me to make this script more futuristic and cinematic, almost like a promotional video narration? The Ikoma Tatamel bike is an incredible piece of innovation that takes inspiration from the art of origami and applies it to modern mobility. At first glance, it looks like a compact box, but within seconds, it can be unfolded into a fully functional electric bike. This clever design makes it a dream come true for people who live in small apartments, work in tight office spaces, or simply don't have the luxury of traditional parking. The folding mechanism is smooth, user-friendly, and efficient, allowing you to transform it from a portable package into a ride-ready vehicle with ease. One of the standout features of the Tatamel bike is its ability to collapse into a size so compact that it can fit under a desk, inside a closet, or even be carried onto public transportation. For city dwellers, this level of convenience means freedom from the daily struggle of finding storage space or worrying about theft when leaving a bike outside. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on performance. The electric motor provides a reliable boost, making it easy to navigate busy city streets, climb gentle slopes, or cruise comfortably through neighborhoods. Beyond its functionality, the Tatamel bike represents a future where mobility is not only about speed and efficiency, but also about adaptability and convenience. It merges eco-friendly electric technology with space-saving design, offering an ideal solution for modern lifestyles where flexibility is key. Riding it feels effortless, and when the journey is over, it folds back down just as easily, ready to be tucked away until the next adventure. The Ikoma Tatamel bike isn't just an electric bike, it's a symbol of smart design meeting everyday practicality. By blending portability, sustainability, and style, it redefines what personal transportation can look like in the modern world, making it a perfect choice for urban explorers who want efficiency without compromise. Do you want me to also expand this one to around 280 to 300 words so it lasts closer to 2 minutes like a detailed narration? The LSEV 3D printed electric car is a remarkable example of how innovation and sustainability can work hand in hand to reshape the future of transportation. Unlike conventional vehicles that require complex manufacturing processes and generate significant material waste, the LSEV is produced using advanced 3D printing technology. This revolutionary method not only minimizes waste, but also dramatically reduces production time, making it a truly eco-conscious alternative in the automotive world. By embracing this cutting-edge approach, the LSEV proves that green technology doesn't have to compromise on style, efficiency, or practicality. One of the most impressive aspects of the LSEV is its lightweight yet durable frame, made possible through 3D printing. This reduced weight directly translates into greater efficiency, as the electric motor requires less energy to power the vehicle. The result is a smoother, quieter, and more responsive ride that's perfectly suited for city commutes or short-distance travel. At the same time, its compact size makes it highly maneuverable in tight urban spaces, solving many of the challenges drivers face in congested environments. Beyond efficiency, the LSEV also represents a shift in how cars can be designed and produced. With 3D printing, customization becomes far more accessible, allowing for new levels of flexibility in design and production. This could pave the way for a future where drivers can personalize their vehicles to suit their specific needs, while still enjoying all the benefits of an eco-friendly electric car. More than just a mode of transport, the LSEV stands as a symbol of sustainable progress. It shows how innovation can reduce environmental impact while offering modern, stylish, and efficient solutions for everyday mobility. For eco-conscious drivers seeking a glimpse of the future, the LSEV is proof that the road ahead can be both sustainable and exciting. Would you like me to make this one longer, around 270 to 300 words, so it feels like a solid 2-minute narration? The Ridroid Kangaroo is not just another personal mobility vehicle. It's a blend of playful creativity and everyday practicality that brings a whole new personality to urban commuting. Inspired by the iconic Kangaroo, this adorable electric scooter stands out immediately with its sleek and eye-catching design, turning every ride into an experience rather than just a routine. But behind its charm lies impressive functionality. The Kangaroo is built with a comfortable, well-padded seat and ample storage space, making it convenient for quick errands, short-distance travel, or simply cruising around the neighborhood. Its efficient electric motor delivers just the right amount of power to navigate city streets smoothly, ensuring riders can move with ease while keeping things environmentally friendly. Beyond performance, what makes the Kangaroo so special is its personality. It's a vehicle that doesn't just carry you from one place to another, but does so with style, fun, and character. Perfect for individuals who want their commute to reflect more than just practicality. The Ridroid Kangaroo is a statement of individuality, offering both charm and function in a single, futuristic package. Do you want me to make these scripts slightly longer, around 230 to 250 words each, so they sound more like full-length documentary narrations? Forget everything you think you know about traditional wheelchairs, because the Scalvo wheelchair is here to completely redefine mobility. Instead of being limited to flat, predictable surfaces, this futuristic machine is designed to open up a whole new world of independence and adventure for people with mobility challenges. Its sleek and modular design means it can be customized and equipped with different attachments depending on the user's needs, making it far more than just a chair on wheels. Imagine being able to climb a full flight of stairs without assistance, glide smoothly over rough, uneven terrain, or even rise up and stand tall at eye level with others, all thanks to the groundbreaking engineering behind this wheelchair. At its core, the Scalvo is powered by a robust electric motor paired with intuitive controls, so maneuvering through any environment feels effortless and natural. But it doesn't stop there. Advanced features like obstacle detection and intelligent self-balancing technology provide an added layer of safety and stability, ensuring that users can move with complete confidence. This innovation is not only about transportation from one point to another, it's about restoring freedom, independence, and dignity. It allows individuals to take on everyday challenges, engage more fully with the world, and live life on their own terms, and breaking down barriers that once seemed impossible. Would you like me to make this script slightly slower paced with more pauses built in so it naturally stretches beyond 1.5 minutes for delivery? The UDX Airwolf is a true game changer for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts who crave excitement both on and off the beaten path. This all-terrain electric scooter has been engineered with one goal in mind: to handle whatever challenges nature or the urban jungle can throw at it. Built with a rugged, reinforced frame, the Airwolf is strong enough to withstand rough trails, rocky paths, or uneven city roads, while still maintaining the agility and control of a high-performance scooter. Its design is both robust and sleek, combining durability with modern styling to make every ride as thrilling as it is reliable. At the heart of the Airwolf lies a powerful electric motor that delivers rapid acceleration and impressive torque. This makes it capable of tackling steep inclines and difficult terrain with ease, giving riders the confidence to explore mountains, forests, or even rough countryside without hesitation. Whether you're powering up a trail, cruising along dirt roads, or zipping through crowded city streets, the Airwolf ensures that performance never falls short. Adding to its off-road capabilities are high-performance suspension systems and chunky, knobby tires, both of which guarantee stability, grip, and comfort no matter the surface. But the Airwolf isn't just about raw power. It's also designed with the rider's comfort and versatility in mind. Its ergonomic construction ensures long rides remain enjoyable, while its responsive handling makes navigating tight turns or unpredictable terrain a breeze. More than just a scooter, the Airwolf is a symbol of freedom and exploration, bridging the gap between rugged outdoor adventure and practical everyday travel. For those who seek a machine that can truly go anywhere and do it in style, the UDX Airwolf stands as the ultimate companion for limitless journeys. Do you want me to keep every script in this expanded 230-270 word range so they consistently last more than a minute and a half when read aloud? The KTM RC8C is a motorcycle created with a singular purpose: to deliver a raw, uncompromising racing experience that feels as close to a MotoGP machine as most riders will ever get. It is not just another superbike, it is a limited production track-focused weapon, engineered for those who demand the highest levels of agility, feedback, and precision. Built with lightweight materials and sculpted bodywork that integrates aerodynamic winglets, every detail of the RC8C contributes to performance. The design makes it exceptionally sharp when carving through corners, offering an immediate and responsive feel that rewards skilled riders with total confidence at the limits of grip. At its heart, the RC8C is powered by an 889cc LC8C parallel twin engine, producing a strong 135 horsepower. While this output may seem modest compared to the extreme figures of some leader-class superbikes, the magic lies in the weight-to-power balance and the precise tuning of the machine. The RC8C's performance is further amplified by its professional-grade components, such as the WP Apex Pro suspension system, designed to provide flawless handling and adjustability, and the Brembo racing brakes, which deliver uncompromising stopping power for late braking into corners. This combination ensures the bike feels planted, stable, and razor-sharp in any high-speed maneuver. With a top speed of around 233 kilometers per hour and production limited to only a few hundred units, the KTM RC8C is as exclusive as it is capable. Each bike is more than a motorcycle. It is a collector's piece of race engineering, available to only the most dedicated enthusiasts. Priced from about $39,599, it represents the ultimate expression of KTM's racing spirit, designed for riders who want nothing less than the thrill of track domination every time they take the seat.